Hey everybody, back again with the location of the dual linear shift solenoid. Now this one is not the easiest to work on, but it's fairly easy to get to. First thing you'll do is remove the battery and battery tray, and you will move on down to just below the air intake. Some of you might want to take that off to get your hands in there a little bit better. I managed to do it without it. But if you look just to the right of the radiator hoses, top left of the battery tray that's left, you will see our dual linear switch. Now there are two clips on top and 6 bolts holding this in place. You just pull those 6 bolts right on off, unclip it, and you'll have to use a little bit of force to pry that up. I used a flathead screwdriver. It did leave behind a pretty large chunk of gasket, which I had to remove with a razor blade. This was probably the hardest part of the entire job. Simply scraping that old gasket off is not the easiest work. But once you are done, you just put the gasket down. You put the O-rings on top of the gasket over the little tubes inside, and you throw your dual linear solenoid back on. And when you're done, plug it in and reassemble. Good luck.